Children, today we will study lesson number 15 from your English grammar book. The name of the lesson is Simple Future Tense. So, class 4th, you must have known what is simple present tense, simple past tense, but today you will know about the simple future tense. So, now, first, you see what's written here. Read what Bonnie is telling her friend Tina about her plans for the weekend. Underline the verb. So on Saturday I will go boating with my cousin at Ambajhari Lake. On Sunday my cousins will come to my house. We will play all day. So here will go, will come, will play. These underlined words show what? They show the verbs you just underlined. These are the verbs. Talk about action that will happen in the future. So these are the verbs which tell about the action which is going to happen in the future. Future means not at present what is going on whatever time it is going on after this. It's called future. So will go, will come, will play. He is talking about the future time. Whatever future is going on, it is talked about that. So the simple future tense talks about an action that will happen in the future. We use shall oblique will plus the base form of the verb to form the simple future tense. Shall oblique will means with I we use shall, I shall, but with he, she, it we use will. Base form of the verb play, write, sing. It's the base form of the verb. So we use shall oblique will with the base form of the verb to form the simple future tense. Examples are written here. Raksha is going to sing at the concert on Sunday. So is going to sing. See here. This is the base form of the verb. Tom will throw the ball. So base form of the verb is throw. Will is used. Now look at the simple future tense written in negative and in interrogative. I oblique you will eat cake means I will, or you can say you will eat cake. Now in negative sentence I oblique you will not eat cake. So first subject, then verb, and then not. This is the form for forming a negative sentence. Here it is helping verb and here is the main verb and this is the object. Now to form interrogative, what do? First we write will or shall, whatever it is. So will, then the subject, then the verb, then the object. Will I oblique you eat cake? Now she oblique he will eat cake. Now she oblique he will not eat cake. Negative sentence. Will she oblique he eat cake? So it's a question. So likewise other sentences will be there. Now look at the forms, the verbs in the simple present, past and future tense. Now you have to compare the same verb in the present tense, the same verb in the past tense and the same verb in the future tense. With this you can compare. So this is a chart very helpful to you. I cook. Cook is a base form of the verb. Cooked. Verb plus ed. It's past tense. Now will cook. Base form of the verb and will. You laugh. Base form of the verb. You laughed. Laugh plus ed. You will laugh. So what happened? Will and base form of the verb. So like this. Now fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of the given verbs. So what you use? Simple future tense. The bus will come to pick you up at 8 a.m. tomorrow. What will you do if you lose your way? The chief guest will arrive at any moment now. So, will arrive. Next week, I will visit the library. Akshat will return from his trip on Thursday. I will buy film tickets in the evening. Tomorrow, she will leave this town. Tina will travel to Mumbai next month. Now, here you see will is used with base form of the verb. Now change the following sentences into the simple future tense. He woke up early in the morning. So he will woke up early in the morning. I watched the sunrise today. I will watch the sunrise today. Cooking gives me pleasure. So cooking will give me pleasure. They caught the ball. They will catch the ball because here base form of the verb is catch. The stool broke because of the heavy suitcase. So the stool will break because of the heavy suitcase. Animals drink water from the stream. Animals will drink water from the stream. He sang a song for me. He will sing a song for me. And last of all, I bought a bag from the new shop in my neighborhood. I will buy a bag from the new shop in my neighborhood. So these are the examples, or you can say the exercises related to the use of simple future tense. We also use is, am, are plus going to base form of the verb to describe a future action. I am going to visit Madhu's house in the evening. Disha is going to return the book tomorrow. The sky is cloudy, it is going to rain. So, is rm plus going to plus base form of the verb to describe future tense. So children, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.